Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 35C robot vacuum cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. Superior components. The Eufy RoboVac 35C has 3 spinning brushes to help clean every area of your home to varying degrees of speed and uses rollers to clean your carpets, wood floors or even tiles. With its 3-point cleaning system, 3 brushes and strong suction power, it effectively loosens up, extracts and vacuums dirt to give a perfect clean of your house. Cleaning with intelligence. The Eufy RoboVac 35C is complemented with an efficient and effective navigation system based on a number of onboard sensors that help the unit avoid objects, furniture, and other obstacles while cleaning. Its navigation system is also capable of differentiating between target matter, litter, dirt, dust, and other objects such as your pets. There is a spot clean program whereby the RoboVac will move in circles, detecting the dirty patches and working hard until they are completely clean. Another clever Navi feature is an edge clean option. In this mode, the RoboVac detects the edges of your room and cleans everything around the edges. Efficient performance. This Eufy robot vacuum works well in cleaning litter on the floor with its 3-point cleaning system. The second-generation BoostIQ feature makes the RoboVac seamlessly adjust its vacuuming power depending upon the terrains it encounters. The 35C can climb between different surfaces, making it flexible in moving from carpet to hard floors or even tiles while continuing to detect litter. Convenience at a glance. Height sensors help the robot vacuum maintain its safety while cleaning edges and stairs so it will not fall over the edge. Never again will you forget to clean the floor, as the RoboVac can be programmed with daily cleaning schedules. Just set the time in the app and it will automatically clean your home. When you need to find the device, there is a Find Me feature available in the Eufy app to help you easily find a robot vacuum. Strong battery life. The improved battery makes sure the Eufy has a long operating runtime with power up to 100 minutes. What's better? It can automatically find its way back to the charging center when it is low on battery.